If you're interested in becoming a certified yoga teacher online, studying from home, you have come to the right place. Online yoga teacher training is really ideal for people with a busy schedule. Maybe you have work or family obligations and you can't travel right now. This course is for you. Or maybe you're a personal trainer or a yoga instructor now and you have a busy client load and you can't get away. Again, this is a great way to add a new skill set and open up new earning and serving opportunities in your community. And lastly, just for anyone who's a yoga nerd, you'd like to deepen your practice and deepen your knowledge, online training is a great way to do that. My name is Lucas Rockwood. I'm the founder of the Yoga Teachers College. Since 2006, we've been training teachers all over the world. We have over 4,000 graduates. And I'm super excited to be able to take our professional training format, our internationally accredited courses, and now offer them online. It just makes it more available to more people. Our school is different. We have physical yoga studios. All of our trainers are working professionals. Our courses are live, they're interactive, and we're here to support you every step of the way. A lot of online training, I'll be honest with you, is boring. You get a bunch of books, you sit at home, and you're all alone trying to work your way through it. Our courses are completely different. They're live, they're interactive, they're video-based, and you have direct access to myself and other training mentors to help you through every step of the way. And the results really speak for themselves. Our graduates are doing great things. They're opening studios, they're earning a great living, and most importantly, they're local leaders really affecting change in their communities. So whether you're looking to teach part-time or full-time, maybe you want to quit your job, maybe you want to move city, we're here to support you every step of the way. Our goal is really to take passionate yoga students and turn them into professional teachers. We have a lot of different courses. They range anywhere from 12 days all the way up to 6 months. It really just depends on your goals. All of our courses are highly specialized. They help you to stand out and really add value in your community. If you're interested, I'd encourage you to scroll down and look for our upcoming course dates. Watch the videos from our past trainees so you can see what they're up to. Ask questions of myself and the other trainers if you need, and we very much hope you can join us for a class. Thanks so much for your interest in online yoga teacher training course, and I hope to see you in an upcoming course very soon.